Yeah.
Before. It's so. Oh my god. Carrots with me. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my closet. I think you know this view by now if you've been seeing my last video, which has been half a year ago, where I also deeply decluttered my closet. And that was kinda already a very good start of a deep clean, but this time we are like really tackling down everything. I had help of a friend. She's been supporting me a lot during the past month, and I somehow realized, because there were a lot of changes in the last half a year, and I came to a lot of realizations, and one of them is that I've been kinda dressing the way I wanted others to see me, or like I wanted specific people to like me, so I started dressing like them, and I somehow lost myself. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you also know that I lost a bit of my spark while putting my energy into a surrounding that didn't really give the energy back to me. And I'm slowly freeing myself from that and starting a new journey, trying to find my way back to my spark with my new crochet projects. Yeah, I think you've been seeing it if you follow me on Instagram, and the next step is to find my style and to get creative. And the goal is I want myself to look more like my work. Like I want to look crafty, I want to look cozy, just like my crochet work projects. And so that's the mission, and for that I need a clean start. And I would say enjoy the video. Thank you for being here, and I hope I kinda can maybe inspire or motivate or whatever, or just make you feel calm and cozy for this little vlog. Enjoy. Come with me to the chaos. Oh my god. That's what we're gonna do today. Yeah, this is the mess. This is what we're working with today. You already know it. Nothing really changed. Maybe a few pieces, yeah, are new.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
This is the before. Okay, we're gonna start slowly. At least they're colored.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess. Okay, green. Okay, off to hoodies. Actually, I think only one of them is new to like last time I decluttered. And maybe this one. So let's declutter again. Because I haven't been wearing a lot. Actually, only I think I've been wearing these three. This one, you know it from 6 months ago. Still the only one actually that I'm wearing. So this is still a keep. Same with this one. So we have black and white, and the rest I haven't really been wearing. Let's go! Try on! The only black hoodie without print.
Yeah.
Should we keep?
Yeah. It's cute.
Same, different color.
Yeah, but still cute. I like the washing.
Yeah. This hoodie gives me like tight feelings.
Yeah.
While looking at it.
Yeah.
It's like,
yeah.
I don't know, it like just like
No,
I don't think it's my color.
And
Okay.
yeah, no, not the vibe.
Gonna go to a new home. What do we think about this?
Oh,
Is it like artsy cool or is it artsy cringe?
cringe.
Artsy cringe?
Yeah.
Okay, artsy cringe.
No.
I think the fit is not the best.
Yeah.
You know?
I don't like the cuts.
Mhm.
I always hated when hoodies have those.
Yeah. But it's like,
Yeah, but you feel comfy and yeah.
They're comfy cute.
I like
I think
the color.
I prefer, maybe we can try this blue one, because I think I prefer this over maybe something like this.
Oh, I don't know. I love the color.
Maybe we're gonna do it to maybe.
Yeah, or maybe like to do it in the basement. What are your feelings?
I think I still like it.
Yeah, it's a basic pony.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I think I would change it if I would find a hoodie like this without print, because I'm not that much print kind of person.
Yeah.
But I would keep it just because it's like a good grey basic.
Yeah, no, the color could be
I think
more uptight.
Yeah, if it would be.
I don't like the color. Yeah, exactly.
It would be sweet, but then also kind of only if it would be like a zip.
Yeah, but I don't like the
like
color
this
of
is
it.
not nice,
No.
and like this I will probably never wear it.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe not.
Yeah, no.
But I like the color.
Yeah.
I
I also don't like the hood.
Yeah, many goodbyes, not keeping, right? 1, 2,
Wow.
3. Then I
4,
have
5,
6
6
hoodies.
Well.
Okay, I guess that's it now. Die Farbe passt auch zu mir. Ja. Ich finde das Backprint auch nicht so.
Matcha break. I love it.
With like this.
Yeah. No, it's cute. The jacket gives me the college jacket vibes. Yeah, and I also don't like the color of it.
I still love it.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not you.
This is gonna go.
Decluttering. Nice.
Follow me on Instagram, you know I've been wearing it a lot. So this is gonna stay.
Nice.
And that's the same set. But in white.
Yeah.
That's more me.
Yeah.
Black and white.
I love this one.
This is gonna stay.
I love it.
We like literally only like decluttering all the
Color pieces, yeah. Wow. Nice.
I like the color.
Okay. Yeah, it's a lot, kind of.
I just learned something new and it's opening so many doors. So
show us.
Apparently, if this is your sweater, you're gonna put this over your head, but onto the waist like this, and then you have this, right? Then you go through the arms, and then you have this.
I love it.
How artsy is that?
Styling 101 with Mila.
The suit pants?
Yeah.
Is it suit pants? Last time when I decluttered, I had only 1 row of pants. Now we have 2 rows for almost each, like, you know, 2 pants in each row for almost all of them. So yeah, not so good. But there are a few that I think we can get rid of. We're now gonna try on each of them that I haven't worn in the past days and weeks, and the rest is gonna stay inside. So I already know this one I haven't worn. This one only for a picture. These I also haven't worn. I think I tried them on and didn't wear them. These I wore. They matched the blazer and I love them, so I think they're gonna stay. I think I didn't wear these. I think also not these. These I didn't wear. These also not. These also not. I wore these though.
Wow, what a collection.
What a collection. I think also we can by now confirm my color scheme. What's your guess? How many are we going to keep out of all of these?
I'm thinking about 4.
4?
Did you think about more? Yeah.
Thought about more. Let's see. We're keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Oops.
Wow.
Okay.
Love them.
Now we're gonna go through the jeans. I actually kinda like all of them, but I wear most of the time only the top 3. Before. After. At least a few less. Looks like a good selection, right? Before. After. A bit of the mess right now. We just had a little sushi break. And it's 9 p.m. almost.
Wow.
Let's continue. Let's see how long.
But we're getting there. I mean, yeah.
Only
Taking
shirts
shape.
and jackets left. Closing day 1 at almost 1 a.m. and we did make so much progress. So these are gonna go to my mom's place, because some of these are just like basics that are not my top favorites, like sweaters and shirts, and I still like them. So these are gonna go to my mom's place. Here we have summer clothes that are gonna go into the basement because I'm not gonna wear any skinny mini skirts in Berlin right now. And here we have every single piece that doesn't spark joy to me. It somehow really hurts to see all these clothes go just because I really like most of them. But I am a person that tends to get like very emotionally attached to pieces, and also connects like a story and people and emotions with the pieces. And sometimes that's not a good thing, especially for now that I'm like opening a new chapter. I'm really trying to find my personal style without listening to others' opinions, and I feel like getting rid of these is going to set a very good start to my closet to actually find my personal style. And I will show you the rest of this tomorrow actually. But right now I just really need to go to bed. I just want to show you where we're at right now. This is completely empty. The jackets, guys, I don't know what it is. I just don't like jackets. I came to the realization I don't like jackets somehow. I like coats, but jackets, I don't know what it is. I don't know if anyone can relate, but I just don't know how to feel comfortable in them and warm and cozy without them being too tight, like feeling too tight on me. Anyways, maybe that's just me, but I'm gonna say goodnight now and see you tomorrow. Guys, it is the next day. Oops. Today we are shooting something very special, but also we have some vintage packages, vintage for a little unboxing. Woo! I'm so excited because, guys, I don't know what is in these because she shopped it for me. What is it? It's fun. It's like bells. Oh my god! No. Oh my god! I thought it was so nice. It's so nice on vintage. Feels so good. Oh yes! Oh yeah, I see that! I love it! Okay, next one. I'm so excited for these two. Okay. Yeah, it's a belt. Now you have belt. Yesterday you were like, oh, she needs some belt. Yeah. Oh my god, this is... Yeah, the one you already saw. Yeah. Okay, wait, how does it work though? I think...
I don't know. I think it was meant for being around the waist, but yeah, the waist, but I wouldn't wear it.
Just like
yeah.
Yeah. In my belt era now.
So which one? That's also belt, but such a cute one.
Oh my god!
And it's the same brand as this one. I think this is also.
Oh my god, ist das süß, oder? Oh my gosh, so cute.
Oh my god.
Good morning, loves. It is the next day. I am wearing my new top, like my new secondhand top. This is also shopped by my friend. She's for real like the queen when it comes to clothes, and we like really now try together to find my style. She's helping me with it and helping me, yeah, find nice secondhand pieces. I'm very excited about that. And I'm right now doing laundry because after decluttering the closet, there are a lot of clothes that need to get washed. Also, I'm spontaneously traveling to Turkey with my mom, and that means we have some, yeah, laundry to do. Right now I'm doing white. Because also yesterday I was not able to eat, as you can tell. So I'm doing this now. Winter jackets are here. I just took like my favorites with me. I left some still downstairs, like the puffer jackets and stuff, because I'm not sure if I will ever wear it, because they don't really spark joy while looking at them for a second. So I brought up those that I think I will like or would like to wear this winter. So I'm gonna put these on the rack in my closet now, and then I'm gonna go head out to the post office. Guys, guess what I'm making? I'm making the L. Gibson banana bread balls. Let's see, I think I will love them. I never tried them before, but somehow they won't leave my For You page. So I guess it's a sign. Oh yes, guys. I got my coffee and my sweet treat. Taste test time! I'm actually pretty excited about this one. Looking good. Okay. The hype is so well deserved, guys. This is so fucking good. To anyone who loves like cookie dough, I'm now gonna enjoy my coffee for a second. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I'm not sure if I will like film anything else in the next part. We're going to actually have to find a new place for the clothes. If you want to check it out, I'm going to link my Vinted down below, where I will like upload some of the pieces, but in probably a week or something. I will let you know in my Instagram story. I hope you liked and enjoyed this little cute vlog. Even though it was a bit all over the place, it was a bit of decluttering, and yeah, I just hope you enjoyed watching, and see you in the next video.